This tutorial uses Google Chrome to browse EHR Central website. Alternately, you can also use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. This tutorial briefs providers about adding new documents in their patients' profiles. Begin by navigating to the patient's page and search the patient by their name or another unique attribute like email or phone number. Open the drop-down menu and choose Documents. As you might have noticed, there's no document in this patient's details. Click on the Add button here on the right of the screen. A pop-up form shows up where you can add all details about the document. Note that name and type are mandatory fields, so you must fill them. Name your document and select a type from the drop-down. You may also select Other in the Type drop-down if your document type doesn't fall in any of the mentioned categories. Choose the date when this document is added and write a description to explain the purpose of the document. Now you need to attach the document file from your system. Click on the button here and pick a file. Once chosen, click on the Upload button at the bottom right, and as you might have already noticed, the document name, its date, and description show up as the first entry in the list. You can share it too via email or fax by clicking on this icon. Besides, the document can also be downloaded from this icon. EHR Central. Healthcare, anytime, anywhere.